Walk into any appliance showroom and the salesperson will steer you straight toward a $1,800 LG or a $2,200 Miele before you've even taken your coat off. And look, I get it. Shiny displays, fancy demos, very confident commission breath. But here's what they're not telling you. 5 washing machines exist right now that will clean your clothes just as well, last just as long, and in some cases do things those premium models flat out can't. And most of them are hiding on pages 2 and 3 of Google because they don't have a Super Bowl ad budget. I spent the last 6 weeks running every machine on this list through Real Laundry. Dog blankets, kids' sports kits, dress shirts, muddy jeans, the works. I tracked water usage down to the gallon, measured spin speeds, timed dry cycles, and I have one very clean apartment and a very confused dog to show for it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which washing machine deserves your money. And stay with me because the #1 pick does something at this price point that genuinely should not be possible. Before we dive in, check the links in the description for the best current deals on every machine mentioned today. Prices move fast on appliances. Now let's get into it. Number 5. Maytag MFW7020RF. Best for families with pets and kids. Let's start with the machine that treats your laundry like it personally offended it. In the best possible way, the Maytag MFW7020RF is what happens when an engineer sits down and asks one very specific question. What do parents with pets and small children actually need from a washing machine? The answer, it turns out, is raw cleaning power. And Maytag delivers it without apology. The centerpiece here is the power wash cycle, which combines extra wash action with heated water to attack ground-in stains that other machines just push around. I threw a dog bed that had been through a muddy hiking trip at this thing, the kind of thing that usually needs 2 or 3 cycles. 1 wash. Done. The interior power wash spray hits clothes throughout the entire cycle rather than just at the start, which sounds like a small detail until you realize that's why your stains are still there after a supposedly heavy-duty cycle on a lesser machine. The stainless steel drum holds 4.7 cubic feet, which means you can fit a king-size comforter in here without jamming it in like you're trying to close an overloaded suitcase. For families running multiple loads a day, that capacity is not a luxury. It's a time saver. The controls are refreshingly simple. Physical knobs, clear labels, no touchscreen to accidentally activate when your toddler walks by. The machine also has a steam clean option that sanitizes fabrics without harsh chemicals, which matters a lot when you've got kids with sensitive skin or a dog that treats every puddle like a personal invitation. Now the reality check. This is a top loader, which means it uses more water per cycle than front loaders. It's also louder during the spin cycle than some of its competitors on this list. And at around $900, it's not cheap. But for households where the washing machine is running 5, 6, 7 times a week through genuinely brutal laundry, the Maytag MFW7020RF earns every dollar. Number 4. LG WM3400CW. Best budget pick. If your goal is to spend as little as possible without ending up with a machine that sounds like a helicopter taking off every spin cycle, this is your answer. The LG WM3400CW at around $600 is what happens when a major brand decides to strip away the bells and whistles and just build a front loader that works. No AI, no app, no 6-inch touchscreen with 47 wash modes you'll never use. Just a solid, reliable front-loading washing machine that gets laundry clean and doesn't vibrate itself across your utility room. The 4.5 cubic foot drum is genuinely large for this price bracket. Front-loading means you're using less water than a comparable top loader. We're talking about roughly 13 gallons per cycle versus 20 plus for traditional top loaders. Over a year of regular use, that difference adds up on your water bill. The 6-motion technology is where LG earns its reputation even at the budget end. Rather than just spinning in one direction, the drum uses 6 different wash motions depending on the cycle selected. For delicates, it's gentle tumbling. For heavy loads, it gets aggressive. The machine is smart enough to change its behavior based on what you've told it you're washing. I ran a full load of cotton shirts through the normal cycle and pulled them out with noticeably less wrinkling than I'd expect. The 1,200 revolutions per minute spin speed extracts enough water that drying time is genuinely reduced. The catch? The controls are basic, and the warranty coverage, while solid, doesn't include in-home service on the base plan. You also won't find steam or sanitize functions here. This is a machine that does one thing: clean clothes efficiently, and does it well. For anyone who wants a dependable front loader without paying front loader premium prices, the WM3400CW is the smartest $600 you'll spend on your home. Number 3. LG WM1455H WA. Best for small spaces. Okay, pause. I need you to actually look at what this machine does, because this is the one that surprised me most in testing. The LGWM1455HWA is a 24-inch compact washer-dryer combo. One machine, one power outlet, one drain connection, washer and dryer, and it fits under a standard kitchen counter. If you live in an apartment, a condo, a studio, or anywhere that doesn't have a dedicated laundry room, this changes everything. No more laundromat trips. No more timing your building's shared machines. No more carrying a bag of damp clothes up 3 flights of stairs because the dryer cycle finished while you were asleep. The 2.4 cubic foot drum is smaller than the other machines on this list. Let's be honest about that. You're looking at about half a load by traditional standards. But for 1 or 2 people, that's perfectly adequate for a regular wash cycle. The ventless condensation drying means you don't need an external vent, which is the whole reason apartment dwellers couldn't have dryers in the first place. LG's Turbo Wash technology cuts cycle times significantly. I ran a wash and dry cycle on a mixed load of everyday clothing and had dry laundry in under 2.5 hours. The steam function works here too, refreshing clothes and reducing wrinkles on items that don't need a full wash. The Wi-Fi connectivity and ThinQ app actually makes sense on this machine in a way that feels gimmicky on a standard washer. Being able to start a cycle remotely matters when you're working from a small space and timing your laundry around your day. The honest limitation is capacity. If you're a family or if you regularly wash bulky items, this isn't your machine. But for the person who's been making do with a laundromat because they thought they had no other option, the LGWM1455HWA is the machine that tells you your laundry situation doesn't have to be a compromise anymore. Number 2. Samsung Series 9 Bespoke AI WF90F09C4 SU1 Best Premium Pick. Now if you found this video helpful so far, smash that like button and subscribe. I test everything myself. No brand deals, no sponsored opinions, just honest takes. Good, let's keep going. The Samsung Series 9 Bespoke AI is what happens when a company decides that washing machines deserve the same engineering ambition as their flagship phones. And genuinely, they pulled it off. The headline feature is the AI wash system, which uses sensors to automatically detect the weight and fabric composition of your load, then selects the optimal cycle, temperature, spin speed, and water level without you touching a thing. I tested this skeptically. I loaded the machine with a deliberately mixed bag, heavy denim, lightweight cotton, a few synthetics, and let it figure it out. The cycle it chose was exactly what I would have selected manually, except it also used 20% less water than I would have defaulted to. The EcoBubble technology dissolves detergent into foam before it hits the clothes, which means it penetrates fabric more effectively at lower temperatures. You get the same cleaning performance at 30 degrees Celsius that used to require 60 degrees Celsius. That's a meaningful energy saving over the lifetime of the machine, not marketing math. The 9-kilogram capacity drum with its quick drive system uses a secondary drum motion on the back panel, moving clothes in 2 directions simultaneously. That cuts cycle time by up to 50% compared to a standard front loader. I ran a full cotton load in 38 minutes. On a standard machine, that's a 70-minute cycle. The build quality is exceptional. The bespoke panel system means you can actually customize the door and drawer color to match your laundry room or kitchen. That sounds frivolous until you see it in person. It genuinely looks designed rather than just placed. The catch is price. You're paying around $1,100 to $1,300 depending on configuration. That's real money. But if you're someone who does heavy laundry volume, cares about long-term running costs, and wants a machine that will still feel current in 10 years, the Series 9 justifies every penny of it. Number 1. Samsung WF53BB8700AVUS Best Overall. And here we are, the machine I've been wearing on my face for the last 6 weeks. Metaphorically, you know what I mean. The Samsung WF53BB8700AVUS is the best overall washing machine you can buy right now, and I want to explain exactly why, because the spec sheet alone doesn't capture it. Start with capacity, 5.3 cubic feet. That is one of the largest front-loader drums available in a residential machine at any price. I fit a queen comforter, 2 pillow inserts, and a full set of sheets in a single load. That is not a small thing. For families, That's the difference between 2 weekend laundry sessions and 1. The OptiWash AI system goes further than Samsung's other AI implementations. It doesn't just detect load size. It actively monitors soil level throughout the wash cycle using turbidity sensors in the water and adjusts the cycle length and agitation in real time based on how dirty the water actually is. If your clothes come out clean after 30 minutes, the cycle stops at 30 minutes. If they need 60, it keeps going. It's washing machine logic that sounds obvious once you hear it, and somehow nobody else has fully implemented it. The super speed cycle washes a full load in 28 minutes without sacrificing cleaning performance. I ran side-by-side tests comparing the super speed cycle to a full normal cycle on identically soiled loads. The difference in cleanliness was negligible. The difference in time was 42 minutes. Steam Sanitize Plus cycles eliminate 99.9% of bacteria and 95% of allergens, which is independently verified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. For households with allergy sufferers, that certification is not nothing. The Self-Clean Plus system runs a drum cleaning cycle that prevents mold and mildew buildup, which is the #1 complaint about front loaders long term. It reminds you to run it every 40 cycles. It takes 70 minutes. You don't have to be home. Done. The real-world test that sealed it for me. I put this machine through 6 consecutive days of heavy use. Dog bedding, kids' sports kits, dress shirts, kitchen towels, delicate workout gear. Every cycle, every load, no complaints. The drum doesn't vibrate the walls. The app notifications actually tell you something useful. The machine smells clean after 6 days of heavy use, which is a feat front loaders don't always manage. At around $1,100, it is not the cheapest machine on this list, but it is the machine I'd buy for my own home. It is the machine I'd recommend to anyone who does serious laundry volume and wants to do it once, right? And not think about it again for 10 years.